Why are India and Turkey, two ancient civilizations, clashing on the global stage today? The answer lies in a fragile partnership tested by geopolitics and power ambitions. First of all, India and Turkey share a history of cultural exchange dating back to the Ottoman era, but today their relationship is marked by deep mistrust. Why? Let's break it down. First of all, the three major issues stand out, which are Kashmir dispute, strategic alliances, religious pan-Islamic. Coming to the Kashmir disputes, the Turkey's President Erdogan openly supports Pakistan stance on Kashmir, repeatedly raising it at the UN, straining ties with India. Next, the strategic alliances. Turkey's growth military and economic cooperation with Pakistan, including the joint drills and drone sales, adds to the tension. Next, the religious pan-Islamic, which is the Erdogan's push to lead the Muslim world, has led to an alternative bloc with Pakistan challenging India's secular image. And despite these tensions, there are still areas of potential cooperation in trade, tourism, and multilateral forms like the G20. But for now, India must trade carefully, balancing religion power dynamics. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel Abhiram IAS Academy for more such updates.